Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be doing the fog lights and tinted film light blue. So can't wait to show you what I'm gonna be doing. So let's get started. Remove the bolt underneath the front bumper. Then after that, I'm gonna remove the cover for the fog light. And after that, I'm gonna clean the surface and I'm gonna apply the film light blue on the fog light. So can't wait to show you guys. So let's get to it. So first thing first, I'm gonna be using glass cleaner. Then after that, I'm gonna use alcohol to remove any grease or oil on the surface of the lens where I'm gonna install or apply the fog light film. First, I cleaned this part too. I got the cover. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just press this down. This right here. All 4. And then we're gonna install it. So let's go ahead and do it.
Living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. It's a long way down. Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it. Fast forward a year or two, friends have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it.
So I'll leave the link on the description below of the tools and film I use on this video. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment below. The film is dry, it's not wet, so it was a little bit different, but it was pretty good. Came out good. It was light color blue, so it came out pretty good. So once again, if you have any questions, just comment below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and peace.